Hello, good morning students. Please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is Progressive Monthly Magazine July 2025 exercise number 12 on the speed of words per minute. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I am very glad to have an opportunity to speak on the motion of thanks on the President's address. I would like to make certain points which I hope will definitely be helpful for my state. I was trying to go through the President's address very carefully because at that time when I was in the Central Hall, I could not understand the President's address for the simple reason that I was not in a position to understand, luckily or unluckily, the language in which he delivered the address. Therefore, after going through the speech in England, I came to the conclusion that I should take up one or two important aspects on the floor of this house when I am called to speak on President's address. I have gone through the President's address very carefully. Nowhere in the President's address have I seen that he has mentioned anything about the flood and drought conditions in the country. There are some states in this country which are affected by drought. There are some states which are affected by floods. Unfortunately, sir, my state was affected by floods as well as drought when the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu sent a letter to the central government seeking for the allotment of rupees 200 crores for giving relief of taking up relief measures or to compensate the public for the losses they have suffered. We are given only rupees 68 crores. For floods also, we had raised a demands of rupees 1220 crores. So far they have given us only rupees 15 crores. I am not going to talk about statistics at present. But what in fact I want to stress is that after calculating our losses, we came to the conclusion that rupees 100 crores were required for the benefit of the people of that particular state. I do not know why they have reduced 90% of the total amount and come to the conclusion that only rupees 10 or 15 crores should be given. Sir, yesterday the finance minister, while delivering the budget speech, intimated his concern about some states which, because of unwanted expenditure or what you may call expenditure which is not undertaken for the development purposes, go to the Reserve Bank for overdraft. But as far as my state is concerned, we have spent only for relief work. Our finance minister has stated yesterday that he is going to give more than rupees 500 crores as grants to the states. If that be the case, of course the finance minister is not here, but through you, sir, I would like to ask him that out of this rupees 500 crores, a sizable portion may be given to my state. Secondly, I do not say it is a failure, But I think the president has forgotten to refer to center-state relations. Government has appointed Mr. Justice Sarkaria to head the commission. That Sarkaria commission is to go through the entire field of center state conditions prevailing in this country. Of course, there was a big debate here with regard to the appointment of governors or the mode of their appointment or the functions of governors. But I would like to stress is that when chief minister of different states met during the chief ministers conference, all the chief ministers of non-Congress I governments get together for getting more power for the states. So, is it not the duty of the president to intimate something about the Sarkaria Commission? He has completely forgotten to mention about the commission which was appointed only to go through the entire field with regard to center state relations. With regard to the Punjab state, I do not want to poke my nose and I do not want to peep through the window. But something has to be mentioned about Punjab here. But what I want to mention is that a member of the other house raised a very sentimental issue. He stated, because the government of India has not imposed Hindi as the sole national language and only official language in this country, there is no unity and big fight in Punjab as well as in other states. In fact, sir, when it was intimated, the reply was given by the Prime Minister. I do not want to mention anything about the Prime Minister, but at the same time, the Prime Minister said that this is a sentimental issue. If Tamil Nadu wants to improve the Tamil language, let them improve it. Let them upgrade Tamil. We are not asking that our language should be imposed over the whole of this country, but we are saying that all the languages should be equal and a particular language, because of its birth, because of its place, and because of its majority, should not control other languages. But I think it is better if all the chief ministers of the country join together and discuss the center state relations.